Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag ka mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli, silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip. Handa nang lagpasan yung mga dati ko na limit. Kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet Dilig.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na sa mga play.
Now here we go para sa ating third game. Blue Steel Basketball taking on Batangas Youth Basketball, BYB. And on the second game, BYB with a dominating win against JL Mini Hoops para sa ating 14 under division. Now it's the 16 under division. It's the BYB against Blue Steel. Now Rafael, 3-pointer, that's short. That's jersey number 12 underneath the basket, no good. Again. Now saves it with the wrong man. Now Marco. Marco will attack. Marco. No good. Now it's 4-2, wide open. And he hits that 3-pointer. The first basket para sa BYB. Also first basket para sa ating game. Now sa handoff. Blue Steel Basketball with the motion. Marco. Turnover. Now it's a nice assist. On to Chavez. BYB with a nice defense. Na Mercado. Kick out. Marco finding Rafael again. Another miss para kay Rafael. Now here comes BYB transition. Now finding Chavez again. That's Alcantara. Gives it to Concho. Concho bodying. Block from behind. And that's an out of bounds. Now we have a substitution. Rafael and Concho checks out. Now attacks. Misses the layup. Now Kanya Veras pushing the ball. Gives to Marco. Now Alcantara. Marco again. Arco. Marco missed that layup. That's Kanya Veras. Now finding Mercado. Kanya Veras, the follow-up, no good. Mendoza finding. Now jersey number 13 loses the ball. And now it's a 7-0 run for BYB. Now Kanya Veras. Kalusin. Bodying 4-2. 4-2. Stays with the play. A nice defense by 4-2. Now Chavez again. That layup is good. What a pressure on defense by BYB. Now Alcantara gets wide open. Alcantara with a steal. Now it's Kanya Veras. Now Marco. Marco behind the back. Marco. Top layup, no good. Now the layup again, basket. Cañaveras. Marco Alcantara. And he hits the three-pointer. Andre Alcantara. Now 4-2. Gets a little space, but misses the shot. Now Marco pushing the ball. Ahead of two defenders. Marco again inside the paint. Marco doing it all para dito sa Blue Steel Basketball. Now 4-2. Stop and pop for that mid-range jumper. Now Marco again, creating space. Now it's a nice defense by Mercado. Marco Alcantara, bibigay dito kay Cañaveras. Cañaveras with the fake. Alcantara, the floater. Battle for the rebound, out of bounds. Now we have a substitution. Now, wide open. Three-pointer. Calusin grabs the ball. Now it's Cañaveras. Cañaveras attacking. Cañaveras splitting two defenders. Now he gets it to go. Now Dolfo. Now the cross-court pass. Nice recover by Cañaveras. As he swats the ball away. A three by the Dolfo. No good. Out of bounds. Now it's Dolfo again. Dolfo will attack. Nice defense but better offense by Dolfo. Cañaveras. Now it's Marco again. Marco. Basket plus the foul. A nice move galing dito kay Marco. Creating space at nilustahan ang dalawang bantay. Now Marco completes the three-point play. Now it's a 2-point lead for BYB. Now it's Dolfo again against Concho. Now we have a foul. There's a foul on Calusin. Now Calusin with his first personal foul, sending Dolfo on the line. Now he gets the first basket. Now Dolfo missed the second. Now it is Cañaveras pushing the ball. Cañaveras again finding Marco. Marco, he gets the lay. Nice read. An assist by Cañaveras. Now it's Dolfo. Dolfo will attack. Calusin grabs the ball. Now Blue Steel. Marco again. Now there's a double dribble by Marco. Now we have a substitution. And we are tied at 16 apiece. Now we need to go here in the first quarter. And that's a foul on Malveda. No, he makes a second. Now it's a traveling violation. Turnover para sa Blue Steel. Now it's Cañaveras. Cañaveras attacks. Cañaveras scores. That's 20 seconds. Now the steal. Busadre gives it to Cañaveras. Out of bounds, 3 seconds. Nice 2 seconds. Cañaveras steal. Cañaveras fires it up. And that's it para sa ating first quarter. Blue Steel with bounce back here in the first quarter as they take a 1-point lead against Batangas Youth Basketball as we headed on to the second quarter. Now to opening the second quarter, Malveda hits that three-pointer para sa Blue Steel. Now extends the lead, 21-17. They are down by 8 early in the first quarter. Now Flores grabs a rebound. Now here is Cañaveras. Cañaveras will attack. Now finding Flores. Nice defense by BYB. Now here comes Dulfo attacking. Busadre slaps away the ball. Now we have a timeout called by BYB. So 1 minute here the second quarter.
Lahat umanon, di na ko tumitre Tumilay up nang hindi ka po Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet Mutos-mut, pasok sa kalawang balikan Na ikaw ang bila
Velvet dilig, basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal.
Nice play galing dito sa BYB. Na Cañaveras tries to answer back. Misses badly. 4-2 ahead of the pass. Finding his teammate. And now BYB takes on the lead. Cañaveras. Now he hits the three-pointer. Now Blue Steel again with the lead. Now it's 4-2. Ibigay dito kay Magsino. Magsino, spin cycle, basket. Now it's Cañaveras. Now Concho, baseline. Now finding Malveda. Too strong. Flores. Working on the rebound. Now some offensive foul called on Dolfo. As he extends the right arm. Now Busadre. Now Cañaveras. Reyes. And he gets the basket. Now Dolfo with the miss. Now here's Cañaveras. Cañaveras pushing the ball. Cañaveras will attack. Now finding Flores. Flores again. Now a nice defense by Magsino. That's the same ball possession. Ball stays with Blue Steel basketball. Now it's Cañaveras finding Busadre. Now Concho tries to work. Concho again, defense by BYB. Concho again attacking. Concho, basket plus the foul. Concho absorbing that contact. Now with a chance for a 3-point play. Now he completes. Now we have a substitution coming from BYB. Dolfo checks out. There's a 5-point lead, 29-24, Blue Steel. Now finding Magsino, baseline. Magsino too strong. Battle for the rebound. Concho grabs the ball. Now Cañaveras gets double team. Cañaveras again. Now the steal by 4-2. Now Chavez running, pushing. Now we have a foul called on Busadre. Now Busadre with his first personal foul, and Cañaveras gets his breather here in the second quarter. 6 minutes and 30 seconds to go. Missed both free throws. Magsino grabs a rebound. Now finding Chavez, and he hits. Chavez knocks down the three-pointer. Now it is Concho. Concho. Spin cycle, count the basket plus the foul. That's a strong move coming from Concho. Now another 3-point play opportunity. Missed the bonus free throw. Now it is 4-2. The bump and a foul. Whistle on Marco. Now Mercado checks in. With 40 seconds on the shot clock. The kick out. 3-pointer no good. The basket again by Marco. Now it is 4-2. Bibigay dito kay Chavez. Reyes with a hustle. 4-2. Miss badly on the 3-point line. Now it is Marco. Pass break on to Reyes. Now Reyes pulls up and he scores. Now it's an 8-point lead, 35-27. Blue steal again. Now Chavez tries another one. Another 3-pointer para dito kay Chavez. Marco pass inside. Flores takes it. Now the bump and the whistle. And there's a foul on 4-2. Flores on the free throw line. Now again, Flores. Now 4-2. Grabs a rebound. A ball for the rebound. Finding 4-2 outside. Another 3-pointer para dito sa BYB as 4-2 hits it in the corner. Marco finding Malveda. No, it's Busadre. Busadre with the miss. Out of bounds. Now Chavez. 4-2. Missed that shot. Now Marco. Mercado inside. Soriano. Defense on Mercado. That's Magsino. 4-2 with a fake. 4-2. Stop and pop. Basket. It's a 2-point game. Marco, now to Reyes. Marco, left hand layup, no good. Mercado, again. Now we have a foul on Chavez. Mercado. Same ball. Ball stays with Blue still. Now substitution for BYB. Now this Reyes. Bibigay dito kay Marco. Marco with the traveling violation. Now it's Chavez. Coast to coast. No good. Now foul. It's called on jersey number 81. That's on Mercado. Now it is Thomas on the line. Now Flores grabs the rebound. It is Marco again. Now gives it to Reyes. Back to Marco. Marco with the fake. Marco finding Flores. Flores, couple of fake. Now that's a steal. Now here comes BYB transition. The Chavez with the miss. Marco with the rebound. Now Marco. Marco will attack. Marco, left hand, traveling violation. Now Villarosa, spin cycle, left hand basket. What a nice move coming from Villarosa as he ties the game, 37. Now Marco again gives it to Briones. Now it is Reyes. Marco again turns the ball over in the pass break. A nice defensive hustle by Marco, but stays with BYB. Now BYB takes back the lead, 39-37. Reyes with a fake. Reyes again, offensive board. Now battle for the rebound. It is Thomas. Now gives it to Chavez. And now the Chavez. Again, transition play. Now it's the Chavez, but the follow-up is good by Thomas. Briones badly misses, steps out of bounds. Now it's Villarosa. Didiskarte para sa BYB. Offensive foul called on Giles. That was at 12 seconds. Now Marco will attack. Marco running shot no good. Villarosa grabs a rebound. Out of bounds. And that's it para sa ating first half. BYB with a 6-point lead against Blue Steel as we headed on to the second half.
Hoops hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na ngay street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallen. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman sugapa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala.
Now to start the second half. BYB with strong finish on the second quarter. Now they take on a 6-point lead. Acanya Veras recovers, still out of bounds. O 12 seconds to shoot. Villarosa di diskarte. Now Acanya Veras anticipated that pass. Now pass on to Kalusin, and Kalusin scores underneath the basket. Now it's traveling violation para kay Thomas. Now Busadre hits that corner three-pointer. Now it's down to 1-point lead. Dulfo misses. Magsino gets fouled. It's a foul on Kalusin. Now it's a holding foul by Kanya Veras. Now it is Dulfo. 8 seconds to shoot. Now Villarosa. 3 seconds. Has to fire. And still hits that fall away jumper. Villarosa. Now it's Cañaveras. Hits with a 3-pointer. Now ties the game at 45. The running shot by Chavez is good. Cañaveras back to Cañaveras. Again, tries another one, no good. This time. Nice Dulfo. Chavez again. Now missed the shot. Battle for the rebound. Magsino gets it. Villarosa now finding Magsino. Magsino with the miss. Now stays with the ball. Now finding Villarosa outside. Missed that badly. Now it is Cañaveras pushing the ball. Cañaveras attacking. Cañaveras inside. Basket. Oh, that's a foul. It's a foul on Busadre. Away from the ball. As Villarosa warning for technical for faking a foul. Now it is Dulfo. Dulfo again scores. Cañaveras now gives it to Concho. Now Concho will attack. Concho can score. Now here comes BYB. Chavez. Villarosa finding Dulfo. Again, Villarosa. Battle for the rebound. Tapikan ng bola. Mapupunta dito ay 4-2. Finding some space. And 4-2 knocks it down. Now it's a 5-point lead. 52-47. Under 6 minutes to go. Now it is Busadre. To Marco. Marco will attack. Marco with a turnover. Now it's Dulfo again. Misses the layup. Now turnover again for Blue Steel basketball. Now it is Chavez. Cañaveras will attack. Cañaveras a spin. Hangs. Cañaveras no good. Now 4-2. 3-on-2. Tries another 3-pointer. Now it gets stopped. And Chavez gets the rebound. The basket by Chavez. As Blue Steel takes a timeout. With 4 minutes and 49 seconds. A 7-point lead para dito sa BYB.
Dati ko na limit, kung trip mo din maging big, tara sa Velvet D-League.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang
Now, out of timeout. Turnover again for Blue Steel. Busadre steps on the line. Now it's Chavez again against 2. It's an out of bounds. Now it is 4-2. Porto with the running shot. Porto with the miss. Now Villarosa again. Stays with the play. Busadre gets the rebound. Now it's Cañaveras. Now gives it to Busadre. Busadre. Now same ball, 9 seconds to shoot. Now Concho again attacking. Rejected. Now a foul on Cañaveras. There's a 14 foul for Blue Steel basketball. Now again, Cañaveras took the ball away. Now Concho with the fake. Concho scores. Now it's Concho again. Offensive foul will be called on Concho. Now the steal. Now Cañaveras pushing the ball. Cañaveras gives it to Concho. Concho. And gets fouled by jersey number 21. Now we have a substitution coming from BYB. Have a 6-point lead. Now Chavez makakalusot. Now finding Mendoza. And Mendoza scores on the other end. Again, it is Marco. Getting the basket para dito sa Blue Steel. Now the steal. Mendoza. We called for personal foul. Again, a whistle and a foul. Now it is 14 seconds to shoot. Ang Mercado sa ilalim. Bibigay ito kanya Veras. Fall away jumper. Basket. Lopez. Finding Chavez. Now Marco grabs a rebound. Now the Chavez again scores. Now Kanya Veras again hits it with another basket. Now it's a 60-56. Now it's a 45 seconds. Here in the third. Now finding Magsino. Challenged by Marco. That's a foul. Now it's a 21 seconds to go here in the third quarter. A 5-point lead swing by BYB. Now Lopez. Lopez will attack. Lopez. A defensive block by Concho. Now it's a 9 seconds. Now the steal, Busadre. 4 seconds. Concho will attack. Concho. Now no good. Our score 61-56. After this third quarter, 5-point lead para sa Batangas Youth Ballers.
Wala libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tamarin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hapak.
Now para sa ating last and final quarter. And nice defense para sa BYB. Barco with the pressure on defense on Villarosa. Now finding Magsino. Now Magsino with the fake. Now Magsino almost makes the shot. Oconcio again inside. That was a battle para sa ating 1400 division, Batangas Youth Basketball versus Blue Steel Basketball. Now it is Chavez wide open. Now a foul. Whistle on to Marco. Now Kanya Perez again will try another one. This time no good. Out of bounds. Ball will stays on side of Blue Steel. Four seconds, Cañaveras pulls up, no good. Calusin, the rebound and the basket. Now the steal again. Cañaveras pushing the ball. Cañaveras against two. Now that's a traveling violation. Now Magsino finding Villarosa. He takes it. Now a foul. Called on Magsino. Now, 1 point lead. Calusin, no good. Now the pass break. Finding. The pushing foul called on Busadre. as he pushes off jersey number 16, Soriano of BYB. Now Soriano on the free throw line. So 1-point lead, 61-60 by BYB. Now it stands 62-60. Now makes second out. 62-60 is our score. Cañaveras, Busadre. The last touch by Magsino. Ball will stay on side of Blue Steel Basketball. Now again, it's Busadre. High arcing three-pointer. Knocks it down. Now Blue Steel take a 1-point lead. Now this Cañaveras will be called for a personal foul. Also a warning. Now it is 4-2. 4-2 with a miss. Now Busadre. Now it is Marco. Didiscarte para sa Blue Steel. Marco takes it inside. Kick out. Cañaveras wide open. Calusin grabs a rebound. And the foul is called. It's a foul on 4-2. Now 4-2 with the second personal foul. 6 minutes and 47 seconds. Calusin on the free throw line. Misses the first free throw para dito kay Calusin. Misses them both. Now finding Concho. Spins and the foul. That's a foul on Thomas. Now it's a 64-62. Now 4-2. Atake 4-2 with a running shot. And he scores. Now 64. Tied. Now Busadre for the lead. No good. Now here comes BYB Villarosa. And a steal by Concho. Now Cañaveras. Circus shot, no good. It is now a foul. Now it's a foul on Concho. Now second personal foul para dito ay Concho. Now we have a substitution. Now the kick out. Chavez. Battle for the rebound. Now who gets it? And Kalusin. Now it is Marco. Marco will attack. Now it's a foul called on Lopez. And BYB is the 14th foul. Now Marco will be the inbounder para sa Blue Steel. Now gives it to Concho, bodying Dulpo. Concho, but Kalusin is there and cleans up the mess. Now it's a Blue Steel with a 2-point lead. Now it is a traveling violation. Now it's Busadre. Concho. Take it inside. Nice defense by BYB. Now it is 4-2. Pushing the ball. Now 4-2. Passing to Chavez. Chavez no good. Now Kalusin with the rebound. Now we're down. Half. Here in the fourth quarter. Now Alcantara. The running shot. Basket by Andre. Now makes it a 68-64. Now it is Lopez. Bibigay dito kay 4-2. 4-2. Tries the three-pointer, no good. As Magsino with the miss. Kalusin. Now this Marco. Now Alcantara. Back to Marco. Busadre on the other end. Now 5 seconds. Marco, left hand. Basket! Marco again scores inside with a nice move. Now with 5 seconds, Magsino. Magsino with the lay, no good. Now it's a shot clock violation. And now a timeout called by BYB with 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Blue Steel basketball with a 6-point lead.
Pasa mo sa libre, tira tres, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang.
Doing two-pointer, no good para Alcantara. Now it is Dulfo. Dulfo attacks. Dulfo no good. Now it's a jump ball. Same ball. Ball stays with BYB. Now it's Dulfo. Di diskarte. Concho on him. Now a foul. Called on Concho. Now Blue Steel and penalty situation. Now Dulfo is on the line. Now Dulfo hits the first. Also, it's the second. Now Now gives it to Busadre. Loses the ball. Now Lopez. And he scores. Now it is a timeout called by Blue Steel. With 2 minutes and 53 seconds. 70-68 is our score.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, tinako, tumitres, tumiling up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-oops ng lupet, musos-mos, pasok sa kalawang palika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Velvet Dilig Basketball Liga 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 Liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat laging
Two-point game. Now it's Cañavares. Gets doubled. Now Marco. Marco again attacks inside. Marco with the basket. Now 4-point game. Dulfo finding 4-2. Now tries the three, no good. Dulfo and scores. Now a steal. Lopez inside the pick and the basket. Now we are tied at 72. Now it's a turnover for Blue Steel basketball. Now we are down to our final 2 minutes of the ball game. Now it's 4-2. Corner. Battle for the rebound. Now it is a jump ball. It's a possession para sa Blue Steel. Now it's Cañavares, magtatawid ng bola. Cañavares turns the ball over. Now Lopez. Porto, bibigay dito kay Dulfo. Against Concho. Concho with a nice defense. Out of bounds. Dulfo with a turnover. Now the steal by Lopez. Now Dulfo. Now finding 4-2. 4-2 for the lead. Too strong. Concho the rebound. Now with 1 minute remaining. Now Marco the spin. Marco attacks. Now Concho. out of bounds. Crucial turnover para sa Blue Steel. Now with 49 seconds, BYB with a chance to take the lead. Now it is Lopez. Lopez a spin. Lopez kick out. Magsino open. Now 30 seconds. Marco attacks. Marco gets the goal. Now Marco the steal. Kanya Veras. Now it's an 8 seconds violation for Blue Steel basketball. With 12 seconds remaining. 74-72, BYB takes a timeout.
Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon, din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
That's 12 seconds. 2-point lead by Blue Steel. Now Kalusin with a nice defense. Lopez. Now finding Chavez for the lead. No good. Now Seal. And that's it. Blue Steel basketball survives and wins over Batangas Youth basketball with the final score 74-72. What a trailing game by Blue Steel and BYB.
Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, liga, liga,
Come
liga.
and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag